How to remove music on Facebook profile. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, okay, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy, scroll down and go to audience and visibility section. Here you can see the profile details. Okay, you can tap this. Here in about, okay, scroll down and go to music section. Here in music, okay, you can see the music added to your Facebook profile. So if you want to remove this, okay, you'll have to do is tap the music or tap the see all on the right side of this music. And now here you can see the music you added before. So if you want to remove this, okay, you'll have to do is tap the three dot on the right side of this music. And the pop-up below are shown. Now you can see the delete song from profile here in pop-up. Okay, you'll have to do is tap this. And song has been deleted. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully removed music on Facebook profile. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.